Aim of this experiment is effect of local anesthetics on rabbit cornea. Objectives of this experiment are to check and observe corneal reflex before and after instillation of drug, to observe induction of anesthesia, duration of anesthesia, recovery from anesthesia, to observe motor and sensory paralysis in the eye. Nerve impulses communicate information from one part of the body to another. Nerve impulses are generated and conducted as a result of successive and rapidly occurring depolarizing and repolarizing phases, and an action potential is generated. During an action potential, two types of voltage gated channels open and close. These channels are present within the plasma membrane of the axon. The first channel is known as sodium channel. When it opens, it allows sodium ions to rush into the cell. It causes depolarization. The second, potassium channel, then opens. It allows potassium ions to flow out of the axon and produces repolarization. The depolarizing and repolarizing phases last for 1 millisecond in a typical neuron. Local anesthetics are defined as those drugs which block the conduction and generation of nerve impulses from an area where they are applied locally or injected. Local anesthetics have a membrane stabilizing effect on axons. That is, they prevent the entry of sodium ions in the axons by blocking the sodium channels. So, action potential is not generated. Hence, pain and other somatic sensations are blocked by local anesthetics. When there is an action potential, sodium ions gate and potassium gate opens, which leads to depolarization and repolarization respectively. But when local anesthetics are applied, sodium gate does not opens, thereby depolarization is inhibited. This leads to failure of impulse conduction and loss of sensation.
To study the effect of local anesthetic on rabbit's cornea, select adult healthy rabbit of either sex. Place it in a rabbit holder properly. Cut the eyelashes and whiskers of the eyes of the rabbit with a sharp scissor. Check the corneal reflex in right eye of the rabbit by touching cornea with cotton wick. The rabbit blinks the eye It means that corneal reflex is present in right eye. Now touch the cornea of the left eye with a separate cotton wick. Observe the corneal reflex. Blinking of left eye also indicates presence of corneal reflex. Thereafter, treat the right eye of the rabbit as control eye and left eye of the rabbit as test eye. Instill 2 to 3 drops of given drug, for example, xylocaine, in the test eye. Apply slight pressure with finger on the medial canthus to avoid nasolacrimal drainage of the drug. Observe corneal reflex in control eye as well as the test eye at an interval of every 1 minute for a period of 15 minutes. You can see that the test eye of the rabbit doesn't blink on touching the cornea with cotton wick. It means that the corneal reflex is lost from test eye after a latent period of 4 to 5 minutes. Loss of corneal reflex is temporary. It is regained after a period of 10 to 15 minutes of drug instillation. Simultaneously, you will also observe that the corneal reflex is present in the control eye throughout the experiment. Loss of corneal reflex from the test eye indicates loss of corneal sensation. Therefore, such drug is used as a local anesthetic.
What you have learnt. Local anesthetic prevent generation and conduction of nerve impulse. The action of local anesthetic is reversible. One can predict induction, duration, and recovery of anesthesia Local anesthetics are mainly employed in ophthalmology to produce surface or and topical anesthesia to observe motor and sensory paralysis in the eye or area under application.